I'm an alligator. I'm a mama, papa coming for you. I'm a space invader. I'll be a rock and rollin' bitch for you. Keep your mouth shut. Just walking like a big monkey bird. And I'm busting up a brain for the world. Keep your electric on, baby.
It's called panel saw.
Panel saw. This is crazy. Wow. All right. I'm in a video.
Is this on video?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, watch this. All right.
Damn, I thought it was. I thought that was gonna cut the other way. Let's see this thing. Wow.
It's already pre-finished even. See what happens,
Right.
It has this rotating, these are all individual carbide pieces,
Wow. Yeah.
and they all come out, and then there's a carriage that has a bracket with a motor and a grinder, and then this whole thing flips open. So what happens is you can grind and sharpen all these teeth on here, so it's absolutely concentric. So it's like
How old is this thing?
this was built. I think this is 1972.
Wow. That's
This-
amazing.
to
It's
replace
about as
this-
old as the truck.
If you replace this cutter head,
Yeah.
you can buy it. It's $12,000 for this piece.
You can imagine why. It's so
Yeah, I mean,
expensive.
look at the machine work in it.
Yeah, it's incredible. So we're gonna take this down.
Yeah.
We're gonna make that a quarter.
Yeah, fat quarter will make it 180,000. The same as the.
So we're gonna match that to my foam board prototype over here. My man. You're kidding me. Look at this thing. How are we looking, surgeon?
So it's there. I mean, I can't see the light.
I'm messing it up.
Yes. And we have to take off like 30,000.
A 30,000. A 30,000. That's a 30,000. You should do circumcision.
It's 180.
Beautiful. How nuts was that planer? This guy isn't messing around. So now, this thing, which was my little prototype, is going to be made out of this, because he planed that shit down. Big gangster.
Yeah, 5 inch. Or if it's a little larger,
It doesn't matter, right? It's just going to be large is not bad. So they say. That's what she said. I'm like your groupie. I'm like your groupie.
yeah.
Turn that thing on. Is it dangerous to do?
No.
Go on. Look at that thing! This is the easy bit, basically, right?
Huh?
This is the easy bit now.
Oh yeah. This is so much easier than metal. We
Yeah.
can cut it and then glue it together.
Yeah. Safety first.
Well, this is actually it's going to be repetitive. So I want to make them both exactly the same.
You know who'd love to learn a thing or two from you is my brother. You know how he measures stuff?
Oh,
With his finger.
really?
He'll lick his finger and mark something, walk away, come back with the saw, and forget where it was, but look at the wet mark and then cut it. But,
It worked, I guess.
you know, he was a few eighths of an inch off. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah.
So how do we
Well,
pin
what
this
I'm going to
thing
do, I
together?
want to cut like a blank piece of wood that I can stick inside here.
Oh,
So we'll.
might be this right here. No. We should start, we should do something like, you know, build weird shit together. Comme ci, comme ça. Look at that thing. All we need is... And that's all the glue you need to hold this thing together.
Oh yeah.
Well, when that fascia thing's over the top, it's going to just rigidify the whole thing, right?
Yeah. We mean we staple clamp it. I mean.
Oh, we staple it too?
No, I'm gonna use have a little fine pin nailer. Oh.
That's when you know you're really interested in something.
What's that?
When you're filming someone and you're not looking at the screen, you're looking at it real time where it's happening right in front of you, and then
Yeah.
you don't. The camera goes off focus or drifts to the side because you're just staring off into space. Nice. This is a great memory happening here. The tiniest nail. Plenty of room. There's so many steps.
You don't want to put the long one on this side. Don't ask him how I know. Do you think the fiberglass stereo guy would do this?
Hell no. I mean, they've probably got some way,
Yeah, a lot of stuff.
some cheap.
Quick way. So what it is they try to find the quickest possible way.
$800 that guy wanted. But if he was going to do all this to it, I mean, you'd say, well,
Could
it's
be
worth
double.
it. Yeah, it probably would be. That's what's crazy.
But it probably wouldn't be to this precision quality, you know, where it's like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, this is really,
You kind of knock
this
together.
is extra. I'm waiting for you.
Oh,
There's our speakers in the door. Let's match it up against here. I mean, that looks kind of cool.
yeah.
And right there, go on.
Match
I'll let
with the-
you. I'll let you do the honors.
Oh, okay.
Slap it in there. Does it fit?
No, let me get some more.
Shit. Here we go.
Bang my dick in the dirt. See, it says 3 and then it's 10. Yeah.
10,000.
Super precision. So they have some runouts, so the hole will be. Boy, we could, you know.
That's gonna be it. Then it will just bang it in.
Yeah, we can put some epoxy in it and then hammer it in.
I wouldn't have thought of ever doing that, ever. Like how you did that with your hand.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Handwork.
Handwork. Hand job.
I'm an alligator. I'm a mama, papa coming for you. I'm a space invader. I'll be a rock and rollin' baby.